Today we're in Phang-Nga, Thailand. Gonna go on an awesome boat ride this morning. The weather looks really good. It's a little hazy, but the sun's out. We're gonna go drive down to the pier and charter a boat for the 6 of us. And it's gonna be an awesome day. I hope you guys come with us, and yeah, here we go. You guys ready for the next adventure?
Ready!
All right. We're here at the bay. As soon as you pull into the area, everybody tries to stop you to get you on a boat. So no problem finding a boat here. Oh, I can park in there? He said we can park inside there on the grass.
Can we stay here?
Yeah. Well, you're not allowed to fly the drone in any of the national parks here in the Phang-Nga Bay. Really I think in any national park you're not allowed to fly a drone. So Joe is going to set his drone off here, take some video of the bay area. You guys can check out Joe's channel for that. Joe, do you want to, that's our next hotel right there. Is that okay with you?
Okay, what?
That's our next hotel right there. We're staying there. Is that okay?
That's fine with me. I'm loving it. Let's do it.
Okay.
5 baht?
How about? Comes with a mosquito net. All right. So we rented you can get the smaller songtail anywhere from 15 to 1800 baht. Holds about 6 people, but tight. So we secured the bigger longtail boat, which was 2500 baht. So with the 6 of us, about $80. You got to be careful not to fall down.
Go get it. For you and 300 baht for us? For a foreigner? Okay, so it's 300 baht for a foreigner for a
Okay, let's go pay the national park fee and go check it out. It's 300 baht for Phang-Nga, 50 baht for Thai. Oh, you want that? You want some weed sandals?
Oh no, I'm scared my feet gonna give up on me.
Your,
It might be like a
your feet are gonna get lazy?
yeah.
Okay.
Right. You have to tell them.
I want to sing.
No, if you're gonna keep them, then climb. How to
A lot of people this time, huh?
Oh yeah, it's a toy.
In case you guys were wondering, the fee for the park entrance is for all the parks in Phan-Nga.
Phang-Nga.
All of that.
Yeah, everything there.
So any national park, canoeing in the national park, it's all you gotta do is save your little ticket.
Come back here.
what is this called? I don't know what it's called. It's a Muslim village. Oi. Oi. เลี้ยวขวาเลี้ยวซ้ายเลี้ยวขวาI like ice cream ปลาอะไร
Look, this is a Magnum. Best ice cream balls you can eat.
Okay. I thought you were talking about a condom.
Yeah.
Gundam.
Swimming shoes.
มาชิมมา
ออส
ไม่
การ์
เสร็จเลยให้ชิมไม่ซื้อไม่
ไก่
เป็น
ท
ไร
อด
การ์ตูน
เอามาอะไรนะ อันนี้น้ำพริกกุ้งเสียบชิมได้
กุ้ง
เลยค่ะนั่นน่ะเป็นลูกหยีกวนนั้นเม็ดอะไรก็มีจ้ะ
ไม่อร่อยนะ
ผมมีโรยอยู่
มี3 รส3 รส3 รสธรรมดา
มัสมั่น
อันนี้แบบ
ก็อร่อย
แบบปน
ข้าวค่ะอร่อยนั่น
ถุงละ100 2 ขีดนะครับพี่นี่
เราไป
ถ้าแบบนั้นมัน
อันนี้กินได้ทั้งตัวเลยเหรอ
ปูกินได้ทั้งตัวเลยลองชิมได้สิ
อืม
เนี่ยใส่ถุงละ100เหมือนกันนะฮะขีดละ60ตัวนี้อัน
ชิม
นี้
ได้
ปลาทำใหม่ๆเลยเพิ่งทำใหม่ๆนั่นในกูบอกอย่างนี้ว่า
กินได้ไหม
เอ๊ะอันนี้
อืม อ๋อโรตีมีโรตีมาสบายไหมไม่มีโรตีอ๋อโรตีใส่กล้วย
ไม่มี
ไม่
มีแต่ไข่
ขายอ๋อ
ธรรมดา
เอาธรรมดาครับ
ธรรมดาเนี่ย
หนึ่งครับ
The other one?
Yeah hello you want to share one
What is it?
hello
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับคุณสวยอืม how are you
You like to buy the cat over there. Right? Meow meow. Come. I'll show you meow meow.
อ๋อ
นกอะไรมาอ่ะ
สาวเยอะเนาะลูกสาวเยอะชิคเก้น
hello lunch
everybody at home
ได้วันตัวใหญ่มาก
เฮ้ยเรื่องนี้ก็มี
Kolla den då.
เอ้โอ้
Kolla den då som ligger med tungan.
Okay, let's go before this place fills up. Looks like Team White shirt has arrived. Gotta find our boat now. was a very fun trip. Now we're gonna sit here and have some lunch on the shore. We've eaten here before. They're really good food.
You want to pay?
We sit out here.
กินข้าว
กินข้าวมาแล้วครับ
มาแล้วครับเชิญ
มา
เลย
แล้ว
ค่ะ
จริงจริงมาจริงจริงจริง
จริงจริงๆกิน
จริง
จ
จริ
ริ
ง
งๆกินไม่
Great day, great time.
This is so
ข้าว
ค่ะแคนเซิลไปก่อนค่ะ
fish patty.
ค่ะกับโจเซฟฟรีค่ะกับอาจารย์มินยูอะค่ะกุ้งแฉะ
Huh?
มันค่ะโอเคค่ะ
Oh, that's my top mango.
I think so
ในนั้นเลย
Oh.
nobody
ส่วนไป
เดี๋ยวจะอ้วน
จานเดียวค่ะ
ช้อนเดียว
Very good, very good.
very good very good
เขาใส่ขิงด้วยอ่ะ
Good.
ยำ
Yeah. Oscar. Oscar. Thunder in Swedish. Did I say it right?
Yeah, yeah.
But I said it like in German, huh?
No, it's okay.
Oscar. Okay, word of the day in Thai language, storm. Storm in Thai language is Payu. Payu. Payu is storm. Payu. Could be any kind of storm, right? Payu.
Chuck. And varmkorv is hot dog.
Varm.
Varmkorv is hot dog.
Varm korv.
Hot
Korv.
dog. Varmkorv.
I'm gonna forget all that. I know Oscar.
That's enough.
I'm just gonna move to Sweden. Maybe I can get some special like money for disabled, right? Just go around saying Oscar.
If the border police see you where you come from, you only speak Oscar far from him.
Okay, let's go back to the room. Well, we are here at a famous Thai restaurant.
มาจากแต่เดิม
I know it seems like we just ate here. I mean, we just ate like a second ago, but we actually got back to the room. I think about 3, and we've been chilling for about maybe 5 hours. And we walked 1 kilometer from the hotel to get here. So we're gonna have dinner, relax, and walk back. And then tomorrow we got to get up and leave to Phuket, huh?
Do they have the noodles I like?
Oh, but not too much food for me tonight. Okay.
you want soda
Also, the
ที่ไหนกินเบียร์
beer Billy O cup.
มีโอ๊กกว่านึง
Okay, guys, you remember what that is, right? Gap gam. Gap gam is anything that is with beer. Gap gam, beer. Gap gam, beer. Got it? Gap gam. Sang song. Fried pork.
กับแก้ม
Yeah, that's tom yam goong. That's a shrimp, spicy shrimp soup. Tom yam goong,
ต้
right?
มยำน้ำใส
It's good if you like to lose some kilos.
อร่อย
Yeah.
อร่อย
Have everything.
That's a, what is that, a gang som pla?
แกงส้มแกงเหลืองแกงส้มปลา
That is a fish red gang curry,
ส้ม
and
แกง
it's very spicy. And that is a bamboo
ส้มปลา
With a bottle of fish sauce.
with fish sauce. Okay, let's see what Joe ordered.
Are you ready?
I'm
กิ
ready.
ฟต์ออเดอร์
Or a gift order.
Okay, wait.
Wow, what is that?
กุ้งอบกุ้งแห้ง
Is that looks like a sock, hairy sock soup? I don't know what that is. Shrimp.
No carb noodles and
ชิม
prawns.
Noodle, a moon sen noodle and shrimp. It smells really good.
This you must wait
I need
half
to
an
check
hour.
it.
It's very
Yeah,
hot.
you'll need the farms there.
It's a glass noodle called moon sen.
ผัดเผ็ดหน่อทั้งรู้
There's a salt
คณะ
ต้องรู้หมดเลยค่ะ
ทั้งรู้หมดเลยยกเอาหายด้วยมีผัดเผ็ด
มันเป็นไม่ใช่
ไม่
We're full right now. Everything good?
โอ้ยมาก
Good.
เผ็ดมากมาก
Spicy. Well guys, that's it. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. The boat ride was very cool. I love being on the boat. It's so relaxing. We're gonna have an awesome time in Phuket. 4 nights in Phuket. It's gonna be super fun. I hope you guys come with us. If you like today's video, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye, Klaus.
Aha, more than yesterday. Holy shit! Almost 95.
How do you feel about that?
Fat.
I must go up too.
Yeah, do it, do it.
But if I go, you must go.
Oh, shit.
I pay.
Okay.
แล้วแถมขาบาท
Wait.
Yeah, wait. I'll hold your camera. I'll hold your camera, Chuck.
I got it.
No. I'll say, how do you feel about that?
I'm gonna say the camera weighs about.
That was the big money. Shit.
ดึงคนดึงบ้าน
Yeah, somewhere. Shit.
Camera weighs about 2
Okay, everybody ready?
I guess. Holy shit! I've never weighed that much. What do you mean?
Good music.
How do you feel
You're a
about that?
fat ass. Yeah, get off the scale.
Oh, my God. This is heavy.
Look, he's gonna take his bag off.
Yeah, but it's heavy.
I don't think I've ever weighed 93 kilos. Holy crap! I'm not putting this on video.
Holy shit! Oh, you didn't see what you weighed.
Yeah.
92 something.
No, I must. I'll go back to Sweden. Shit.
กระพืด
I had my hand on your shoulder. You didn't get the right weight.
Almost 100.